ng ating mga players kasi hindi talaga sila susunod hanggat hindi sila buong elements sa drive or numero ng si time yan yung front line. Medyo masagot-sagot na from the members of our NAP and my pero mag-back up na just resetting and refocus para in preparation sa ating paparating na naman ng board game. Nandun na nga ang ating mga members coming in from Team Liquid, nakaposition and mukhang mahihirapan na pumasok ang NAP FY. In terms of it, dahil it would be an easy board from our Team Liquid. And then very fast na dahil naka-double marksman strategy sila. Pero yung trade-off naman na ginawa ng NAP FY is push na lang ng Torek kung wala naman silang magagawa na paraan.
Kisses! Kisses! Sabi mo, whoop! May na lang. Whoop! May na! Small. Whoop! May na! Malakas yan eh. Maliit lang. Whoop! Whoop! May na! Ay, malakas. May na lang, may na. May na. Whoop! Oh, tayo ka na, tayo. Up. Up na, up. Up. Up na, up. Yon, very good. Up lang, ha. Oh, don't cry na, ha. Whoop.
The revenge has been successful. Team Liquid, finally, after their experience,
galing dito sa Terror Games.